Whoa. Oh, I felt lightning.
Yes, there was definitely a flash there, yeah.
I survived that.
You what?
I survived that.
You survived that.
Mhm.
You're not probably not gonna see Shane's later with that.
I know, I probably won't be able to see the electric kazams in there.
Hi, kitten.
The electric what?
You won't be able to see the electric stuff.
The chains?
Like the electric.
Chains of lightning?
Yeah.
Oh, the chains of lightning.
Yeah.
Like when you draw lightning, you draw what we describe as the chains of lightning.
You're so kitten, kitten.
There you
Oh, I felt. See.
Yeah, so
That was
flash.
bright.
Yeah.
If it's close, you'll see. If it's close, you can actually see the red. It's extremely close, I'm pretty sure. You see the red, but you don't want to be that close.
Hi, Fuzzy. Hi, Fuzzy.
If you hit somewhere in the yard or on a tree or whatever, right near here, you'll probably see red.
Yeah, you probably get blinded. You need like glasses or something.
Hi, Belle.
Wait, do you need like sunglasses to survive it?
What?
Do you need like sunglasses to survive lightning in your eyes?
Help, you don't want to.
There's some thunder showers here. A little bit of a thunderstorm, but I don't think it's fully near us yet. Because usually it rains so hard in a thunderstorm. It's getting closer. I don't know if it's fully near us yet.
Six or so, and I'll feed them the other 4. Because you can get some last night, so they'll catch you up, and then you'll be done. You won't have any at this time. You won't be hooked up at all. Huh?
Oh, okay.
I didn't know lightning's red.
Yeah, reverse it. Try to say I was here. Say that. Yeah, Robbie's. You guys have Robbie's wedding? Or is it?
Oh, okay. That car's trying to mimic the thunderstorm.
Oh, yeah, that wasn't, yeah.
Huh? It's not really that severe.
Maybe your mom.
Huh? Cool.
2009.
Huh. I wonder how it's not severe. How severe? Hi, Willow. It's a dead spider. Hi. There's a thunderstorm, kitty. Another thunder. Oh! Ding. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Thunder. I mean lightning. Oh, it looks like Mr. Spider has come back. Yeah, good job, Mr. Spider. Good hiding. Good, go into hiding, please. There's a thunderstorm. Because you are going to be blinded. I don't think cats can be blinded by this stuff. I don't know if cats can get blinded.
Huh?
I don't think cats can get blinded from thunder and lightning.
She's gonna keep her eyes shut and not watch it.
Huh?
She's just gonna keep her eyes shut and not watch it.
I know, but like, cause like they can make their eyes darkish and
Yeah, you can too.
yeah, no, but like thin, like when they don't put a lot of light, they could probably survive a thunder or lightning strike.
Yeah, well, we can too, but they can't do it instantaneously, like as fast as the lightning would happen, and neither can we.
We can't make our eyes thin.
What?
We can't make our eyes thin like cats.
It works different. Ours don't go thin; they just get really, really small this way, and then they get dilated and really small.
Huh.
In the darkness, our eyes are dilated. In the bright light, our eyes get thin. It's like the aperture on a camera lens.
Okay.
You have a 2.8 aperture, it's this big.
Huh.
Let's just say if you have a
Because like cats do
five,
have
if you have like a 22 aperture, it's this big. There's not a lot of light let in.
Ah. Because like cats are like freaking cameras too.
No, our eyes are like cameras as well.
Yeah. That's the most part too. It's the ISO on the human eyes and
ISO
stuff.
is the noise and the light that comes through. ISO is the
I wonder how cats can just see stuff like instantly almost every time. Because I know it's their fast reaction time, and plus they can like see things move in seconds before. And they're probably the first to attack. Because they're faster than snakes. Typically. That's how powerful really cats are. They're smarter than snakes can be. They kill snakes. They're snake killers. And snakes don't know it. Plus they're biting. They love to bite. And she does like to bite. Oh shit. Oh, freaking. Hi. You're so cute. Good thing you're turning your head around and closing your eyes. That's the good protection against a thunderstorm. Plus maybe your eyes could survive thunderstorm when they're thin. Or something. To get rid of all the light in your eyes. It might reduce some of the light from blinding the cat. But they have different instant stuff. They have an instant hunting system. They do stuff instantly. They kill things instantly. Because they know where they hit the snake at, probably. That's how they probably kill them and eat them. They kill them at the right spot because they know what works on the snake, I guess. It's okay. It's okay, Willow. I know you're a cat because you're brave. Because cats are brave, for real. Yes, you are. You can kill a snake. Humans cannot always kill snakes. They end up killing them. Usually. Big cats can kill the anaconda. I bet. If that's true, tigers or something can kill the anaconda snake. If cats are so fast, they can kill an anaconda snake if they're bigger. I don't think Willow can kill an anaconda snake because she's just a house cat. I mean, I think bobcats could potentially do something. You never know. Little cats could probably have some little bit of power in there. Depends. Yeah, the most powerful thing in the world we could probably go through a cat's. Look how cats become powerful. Oh, you guys seen lightning? So it gets hot up there in the sky. I'm pretty sure it's the sky that gets so hot it causes thunder and lightning to happen. It gets so hot. I think it's close to hot as an oven or Venus, I don't know. It's pretty hot up there, probably. I don't know how do planes survive up there, but yeah. It's actually off because they could have been heating to death. It depends on how high they really are. If they're in the clouds, that's dangerous, probably. Depends on if your plane's probably heat resistance, mostly. So nobody inside the plane would actually notice the heat change. So they have very, very probably powerful systems that allow your plane to be cold once there's a thunderstorm in the skies. They probably use the temperature changing system to make it cold, so nobody would die from heat strokes or heat, or from burning up in flames. It's okay, Willow. I know you're frisky or playful. Because I know those eyes when you slowly close them. Maybe you're just playful if you trust us. Maybe you're just playful. Maybe you're just a little playful kitty. Because I know you can be. That's why I'm recording a video of the thunderstorm with the kitty. By the way, guys, maybe I'll make a video of Tomodachi Life somehow someday. I'm just gonna somehow maybe the Nintendo Switch 2 has better recording systems, so I don't know. wonder if you guys actually, I don't know if that's true. I'm gonna search that up sometime. So I'm guessing they have a better recording system than the Switch 1. They probably have more recording space. So maybe, because I won't be outdated maybe. That's why I don't want to get a Switch 1. Because it will stop being sold in 2027 to get the most latest Nintendo consoles. But yeah, basically you're just gonna have to get the console itself. Depends on how rich you are. You need to just probably buy the console if you don't have a lot of money. Cause the games are $100. By the way, the games are $100, so maybe get that maybe on a trip after, like way after Christmas. So yeah, that's probably what I'd be probably planning to do. Cause that stuff is like thousands of dollars. Man, I remember getting my first type of Nintendo Switch, the Switch Lite. Now maybe I'll upgrade to a Switch 2. Maybe. I don't know if it's gonna ever happen. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's gonna happen at Christmas. five or 4 months away. But yeah. 4 or 5 months away is the Christmas time. But yeah. But yeah, by the way guys, maybe some YouTube videos probably say the Switch 2 is like 400, but it's actually 600 by the way, because they got confused from the Switch 1. Because Nintendo made it more expensive because it's more powerful. I think it's the video system. I think that's why. Very long thunderstorm. I think one of them lasted like 5 hours or 2 hours, 3 hours. One day. I think it's getting fainter, fainter. Or it's just coming, I'm not sure. I see some lightning. Yeah, I don't know why the Switch 2 marker rule is like $100. They gotta add it to the regular Switch, not gonna lie. But the problem is, the thing would probably crash. So, that's why. Because it's a 2.0 technically. It's literally a full-on remake of the Mario Kart series. Oh, that thunder's big. Sure, big amount of thunder. It's getting a little closer, I think. It's probably what it'd be like on Venus, or Jupiter, I meant. There'd be a lot of thunder and lightning, like almost infinity. It's like it's infinity thunder and lightning. Like it won't stop. Okay, that's why Jupiter's atmosphere is pretty dangerous. If you want to live on there, yeah. No, don't do it. It's because there's a bunch of lightning, and lightning can electrocute you or blind you if you get too close. That's why you shouldn't go on Jupiter and live on there. You could literally die. Or, I mean, yeah, because you'd probably become blind. Yeah, I have a notion. They just seen a lightning, chain of lightning. I'm not sure there for a second. think I just seen a chain of lightning. I'm not sure.
They have,
Huh?
though. They have.
Like in the sky.
Or you wouldn't in the sky. You may have. Could very well.
Like a white, like a bright light. I've just never seen a chain of lightning in my life. I only see it on videos like the severest thunderstorm that was last year or the year before. There was a very big thunderstorm that once like had so many lightning here. I'm pretty sure we were in Halifax. Like we didn't get to see it. We missed that event. No, that was cool from the videos. It was in Brazil, like I think. Holy crap, it's severe. That's truly severe because it can probably fry your laptop. That's how dangerous lightning is. Yeah, guys, always unplug your stuff. Probably if you are in a bad thunderstorm situation, just probably unplug your laptop. It's the best idea because if you don't, it may get fried. There's a chance it could just fry the laptop or endanger it all. And your laptop's just in danger. For its life. For some reason, people say our DNA is close to a computer. Stuff, what the heck? I guess it is. Because computers are, it's probably the part of the brain part, they say. I think the DNA or cell thing is close to a computer thing because the brain. It's likely it's the brain that's actually the closest thing to a laptop or something. Or a computer, whatever, yeah. Whatever computer you have. Maybe we should call the brain something else. Maybe the think pad or the thinking machine. The first ever computer ever made years ago. Billions of years ago. The brain started. Basically, the brain was invented billions of years ago. Because we know who the great engineer really is. The first ever engineer who created everything in the universe. Technically, the first ever engineer ever existing, what created computers, aka brains for organisms, is actually our Heavenly Father. It's crazy though. The brain was created. A computer that it's organic. Iconic for its powerful stuff.
Come up there. Go up there and you come up here. Go up there. No, go up there.
See, that's how iconic things are in this world. How they are created. How just they are. That's why computers, I think they got an idea from the brain and probably created these things. Yes, these things are the laptops.
That's why I said get up there.
Sorry, are you okay, Molly? Look, Smolly. Smolly. Remember this from Ben Cosman's channel? I feel bad for what happened to it. But I hope it starts soon. I wish I could fix things here. Yeah, the age verification thing. That problem that has been going around since 2025. The age verification. It's like the job application. It seriously is. So, see you guys. See you next time. Subscribe.